5. New York Times 9:51. We have placed a trade, and I'm looking forward to make a minimum of 2,000. Well, should I say minimum? $1,000. But look like we can hit more than that. At least $2,000. That's what I am looking at today. Should we cash it? You know, we should not be greedy. As I always said, make $1,000 and get out. That's the safest thing. We have already made $1,000 yourself, and I've achieved it several times, but I'm hanging in there for $2,000. So right now we can cash right here. We can hit $1,200 and we can call it a day. But I'm hoping that I will cash 2,000 today. So we just have to be patient. We can here's another thing. We can cash $1,000 here, then place another trade, make another $1,000 here. But I'm going to still prove my point that we can make $2,000 in one get-go today only. It's a today special. No, I'm just kidding. Yes. Right now, it's somewhere between, many times if you look at it, the time I place a trade, lost, about $700-800 and then just staying there and continue to make. Now I'm hitting back at about 500. It may go back up where it shows that we lose our money. Right here, we may be hitting a loss here, but let's see. Loss temporarily, meaning that we had made money. You just saw it was about $1,200 or so, or $900, whatever you want to. At that point you start looking at it, can cash it and go back again to make another $1,000. But I like to stay with one trade here for now and make our trade. So let's keep watching and see if it goes the way I have calculated it shall. It's not about luck. It's not luck about chance. It's about how well you can understand the current market. That's it. Now, if it goes the other way in a quick turnaround, there is nothing I can do. Yes, there is a stop loss there. I have placed a stop loss. Where is it? It is for you to view as well. Let me get the stop loss here. Look at that. And if I take a hit, I will be taking a huge hit. I can bring it down to cut our losses should it go the other way, because should I do that? All right. Well, I'm going to be a cowboy. I'm going to leave my stop loss right there. I don't know. Don't ask me why I'm in a cavalry mood today. See, it just hit $700-800. That's good enough. Even $500 a day, not bad, right? Not shabby at all. All right. So it looks like we can see our again $1,200. But I am going to hang in there, and you will hear my screams of joy that we made the $2,000, and we are going to go home. See, again, just now, as I said, we were at what? $1,000, we cash it, we go back in again take our $1,000, we could make several $1,000s today. But I'll just show it to you next time. That's what I'm going to. I tell you last time, I tell you the same thing on Friday, that let's cash it, go back in and make more money. Go back and make more money. So let's see. Right now, should we do it? Should we cash it and go back in again and make another $1,000? Or should we stay? Now I know you're not watching this live. Otherwise, you may be saying, "Hey, come on, let's get out. Let's." If you are so confident that you can make several $1,000s here, why not do that? It does make abundant sense, right? Okay, all right, but this time, let me stay in there to make the $2,000. But I guess going forward, we'll make $1,000 like that. We can get out and make. I think the another reason is because I will have to make more than one video a day to achieve, to show you that my trade is still I'm making sense here. Here is going to give me an opportunity in another moment, I hope so, right here. Well, there you go. You know how many times it showed that we could have made $1,000 PNB out. So, all right. Let's see. Should we do that this time when it gets $1,000? Even 600-700 is no chump change, right? Okay. All right. I'll do that. This time when it takes a dive going south, we'll cash $1,000. How about that? Make everyone happy. Would it let me do that? Well, let's see. Right now, the buyers are pushing the market up. Sellers are saying, hey, we will keep it downtown. Well, you remember the song when they say, what was that song? When you got worries, you go downtown. Well, we have no worries, right? We are in good shape here. Oh, here's $1,000. As I promised, that we will cash our $1,000 right there. So, all right, let's cash it right here.
Order filled.
Yes, we have made $1,000, and just to prove the point again, I will go back in trade, and we'll buy another.
Order filled.
And we'll make another $1,000. Yeah, let's try that. Let's see what happens then. Where are we? Are we okay here? How does it look like? Let's try this here. Let's do this here and monitor it. We're going to do this here. Let's bring this into focus here. Here are different charts. Here's a 1 minute chart where you see my cursor. I'm showing it as a circle. This is a 5 minute. You see the crosshair here? This is a 5 minute chart. This is a 15 minutes chart, and this is a 30 minutes chart. So this is, I look at what I call this micro picture here. And what happened here? I thought we had already cashed our $1,000, didn't we? Ah, look at that. Okay, well, let's close this one here too.
Order filled.
We made another. Where are we sitting now? 1,840. But you know what this trade was? Here is something you need to learn. And I just got cocky here, and one should not. Knowing, yes, there is fluctuation, but what I did, instead of placing a sell trade, I placed a buy trade, and we made another $600-700, right? That's not the way. You need to be more focused, more tuned. Here's another lesson to learn. Be very careful the trade you place. Someone is calling. Let's see who this is. All right, I'll not take that. Okay. So we are sitting at $1,800, and this will continue to go south. I can let it go back up, and I will place another trade, and we'll make another video of that. For now, I'll stop this here. So here you go. This is how you do it. This is my way, and always remember this here. I am not giving any financial advice. This is my way of trading. You develop your own way. You want to develop your own understanding. That will come with a lot of patience and practice, and then you will achieve it. Just like you will be doing the same here. But be very careful. You have hard-earned money. Before you put your money in trading, be very well. Be aware that you can lose every penny of your hard-earned money. So be very careful. Don't think this is a casino, and don't think that you can, every time you play your hand, you will win. You are not sitting in a casino, on a casino table, right? So you watch your pennies, and that's where they become dollars. Why I show you that I'm so confident that my trades are right? I have lost a lot of money. I have been in 10 plus years into this year. Of course, now when I've lost some money over a period of time, I just went out of the market like everyone else. I got disheartened by it. I was doing options back then, and I got out of it, and I said, this is perhaps not for me. I should not be going back in. But I stayed with it. Off and on, I came back in. Now I've been doing this for a year, and with a new mindset, with the new skills developed, and that's where I am at today, and that's what it is. And you'll be doing the same here. But don't go in after 1 month or 60, 90 days and you think you can do it. Life will give you the opportunity, but you need to develop the skill set. And that doesn't mean that if you spend that kind of time laboring, thinking, becoming proficient, that you will still make money. No guarantees, all right? So, but I still wish you good luck, and I know you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I'll see you later.